Gather around, everybody. I got a story to tell. You know, sometimes bad luck just strikes. And in this case, the Z was bad luck and it got struck. The Z got hit while it was parked, right? The funny thing is, it was my wife that actually hit the Z. It could have been a lot worse. She just backed straight into it. Oh man. So went through insurance for everything, which is just kind of crazy to explain to insurance how your car hit your car. With that being said, there is a bright side to this situation. That bright side is I'll finally be able to get a new bumper for the Z. I've been wanting to change up the front end of the Z. You know, a lot of people say that the Z is clean, but it's not ideally where I want it at. I went ahead and ordered a new bumper, in which is going to be here tomorrow. So today I'm gonna try to go ahead and get the front bumper off. Cars and Coffee is Saturday. Today is Thursday. My bumper does not come in until tomorrow, which is Friday. So I have to be able to take my bumper off, put the new one on, and get everything bolted down and good looking for Cars and Coffee Saturday. Your boy is about to be running ragged, but it's okay. Your boy works best under pressure. So anyways, we got a challenge right now to see, can BZ Rider be able to get his bumper off and put the new one on before Cars and Coffee on Saturday? What do you guys think? Put it in the comments. Here shortly, we're about to be getting into this, so better put it in the comments, because here we go.
The next day.
Alright guys, so in this box contains my bumper. I don't know how they do this, but it's in here. So enough talking. I'm going to finally unbox this because I've been waiting on it for like all day. It's crazy, y'all. This is crazy that this is a bumper right here, like rolled up. Like, it looks like a Swiss roll, or maybe I'm just fat, but this is crazy, y'all. Like, so this is the bumper. It came rolled up like a burrito. So what you have to do with these is you have to set it outside in the sun, or just basically provide a heat source to it for a little bit so that way it can reshape. Hopefully I still have enough daylight for this. I pretty much just got back to the house. It is like after 9 p.m. now, so this is about to be a late video. The bumper has now been formed up. It's bounced back to its original shape. I probably still need to take a heat gun to it a little bit just to help form it a little bit more, especially around on the bottom. This is like the inside of it, but just, I don't know if you guys can see it too well or whatever, but it's still like a little wavy down in here. I'm not gonna really consider that too much of an issue because I have an under tray, and I plan on securing the bottom of the bumper to the under tray as well. The bumper doesn't have any like mounting holes already drilled out. So like on the sides, it's got kind of holes already lined up there. Same with on this side. Y'all, this bumper is sick. Oh my God. I can't wait until I get an intercooler in here, so that way you don't see this portion right here that just will pretty it up so much. All right, y'all, we got the bumper on, and sheesh, yo, this bumper is fire. Oh my God, I'm not gonna lie, I've always wanted a Rocket Bunny front bumper for the Z. Now, it's not a legit authentic Rocket Bunny. We're gonna call this the Focket Funny. I need to go ahead and get the Z down the ground so that way we can see what it looks like on the ground. But man, I don't even know if y'all can see this too well. Alright guys, so it is like after 11 right now. Yeah, it's 11:13 at night. Like it's about to be midnight here soon. But anyway, I'm pretty much at a comfortable position right now for ending the night. So I got the bumper on the car, which was my main goal. Fixed my speaker. I need to adjust my coilovers, but that's gonna be another day because I honestly do not have the time for it. But I'll let you guys see the Z in the morning. I can't wait to see how it looks outside the garage, because in the garage it looks amazing. I'm about to get me some sleep, and we'll see you guys in the morning when we're on our way. Cars and coffee.
The next morning.
Alright guys, so it is the next day and we have made it up here to Cars and Coffee. I'm sorry I didn't record anything on the way up here. The bumper was on, as you guys saw, so we are going to enjoy some cars now. So this is what it all paid off for. Unfortunately, I got here a little bit later than what we normally would have, or what we was trying for, you know, CP time. But anyways, let's enjoy some cars. Like this GTR over here. I need this for the daily for the kids.
You right. And that
R8 270.
this might be Vanilla Ice's actual 5.0 convertible. So lost one. Bro.
Finally, I get to see one in person.
Oh, for sure.
It looks better in person.
It looks a lot better in person.
Too far off.
But it ain't the cost.
It's like they can't pick between gray and blue.
Like, I was so excited when they first announced it.
It definitely looks good in person.
Perfect gear. He just needs a 4-link, which I know it ain't.
Makes me wish I would roll the bike out. Yeah. Nice. Good Lord. You got a TV, you can play the Xbox on it. No. Oh, yeah, really good singer.
This is, I like the attention to detail there, it's crazy.
Yeah. Side note, the Z is like way bigger than the Supra. I know, right? Got the Kia boys out.
This is so nice.
And the thing that gets me is like, where are these cars being like, bro, you don't ever see it. Oh, that's got a big blower on it.
It's actually really cool. You like, oh, the podcast, this thing as a whole.
The Cybertruck just looks like not real. If I had a Cybertruck, it would have to be green and be like Master Chief, alright?
See? That's what I'm saying.
It's got flake in the Nardo.
So nice. This is so fun. It's so nice. Oh, it's a manual?
It's not like a V8.
Yeah, I think it's a manual too.
One day we're gonna have a Porsche on the channel.
looks like
The GMG car.
I'm selling everything I own.
Is that an M3 too?
All right, guys. Well, we're about to get ready to head out from the meet. So the meet was pretty cool. Definitely some nice things to see. So I'm gonna end up closing this video off here. So I'll catch y'all on the next one.